basically our explosion. Whew, that was scary. Now I'm going to tell you the rules, okay? So basically, we each have 5 lives, and this is the ball. And if you got hit 5 times, you're dead. And if you're dead, you gotta drink this thing. Okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm at the spot now. Okay. You're in? Where are you?
Yeah, go down. Taking it down. Okay, okay.
It's hot.
Yeah, really hot. But, you know, a deal's a deal.
Oh, come on.
Ah,
I
deal's a
really
deal.
don't want to drink this salty.
Drink it. You got it.